Hello everyone, how are you all? This is Milkbeer and welcome to today's English class. In today's class, we are not going to do further syllabus. Today we will revise our Monday test. And you all know the syllabus of Monday test is chapter 2, thank you friend, notebook work as well as book work. In today's class, I am going to revise book exercise with you all so that you will able to get good marks in your test. And in my next video, we will revise notebook work of this chapter. So let's revise Monday test with your English teacher. Let's revise page number 16 of your reader book. Circle the correct words to complete the sentences. The friends met every day and spent time with each other. If you remember students, this is a story about 4 friends. ये 4 friends की story है और वो कब मिलते थे एक दूसरे को? Every day. वो हर रोज मिलते थे. One day the deer got trapped in a net. और deer को हंटर ने कहाँ पकड़ा था? नेट में. The crow picked the mouse up and flew to the river bank. क्रो ने माउस को पिक किया, उसको उठाया और उसको उठा के कहाँ पे ले गया? रिवर बैंक के पास. The deer thought of a plan to save the tortoise. डियर ने किसको बचाने का प्लान सोचा? टॉर्टोइस को. Next is, who said these words? Write their names on the blanks. These are the some words. Who said these words? हमें बताना कि स्टोरी में ये वर्ड्स किसने बोले थे. Why don't you stay with us? आप हमारे साथ क्यों नहीं स्टे करते? हमारे पास क्यों नहीं रुक जाते? तो it was said by tortoise. I will look around for him. Crow. If a crow takes me there, I will cut the rope. किसने ये बोला था कि अगर क्रो मुझे वहाँ पे ले जाए तो मैं सारे के सारे रोप्स को कट कर दूंगा. Mouse said these words. Next is filling the blanks with words from the box. A dash has a mane. Which animal has a mane? Lion. A dash has horns. Which animal has a horns? Cow. A dash has a long tail. Answer will be a monkey has a long tail. A dash has a shell. Which animal has a shell? किस animal की shell होती है? Tortoise. A dash has spots. Which animal has spots? Deer. A dash has stripes. Which animal has stripes on its body? Tiger. Circle the words you can use in place of the underlined words. We have to circle the words जिनका meaning इनसे same हो. Don't be afraid. Afraid means frightened. Deer was trapped in a net. Trapped means caught. Afraid means डरना. Trapped means पकड़े जाना. The tortoise came crawling. Crawling means moving slowly. धीरे धीरे जमीन पे चलना. The deer thought of a plan to save the tortoise. A plan. A plan means an idea. The mouse gnawed at the ropes. Gnaw means bit and cut. किसी चीज को कट कर देना. Circle the correct spelling of the words in each row. Correct spelling of tortoise this. Forest this one. Trap this one. Gently this one. Quickly this one. and slipped, this one. Next is the grammar fun, which we are doing right now in our grammar class. A word that names a person, place, an animal or a thing is a naming word. Naming words are called nouns. So here we have to write girl is a person, rock is a thing, deer is an animal, chair is a thing, tiger is an animal, park is a place. And the last part on page number 18, one word in each row is not a noun, circle it. Nest, tree, swim, leaf. Here swim is not a noun. Winter, summer, monsoon, flying. Flying is not a noun. And in this line, grass, city, river, sing. Sing is not a noun. Sister, walking, room, fish. Here walking is not a noun. Last one, zebra, high, mouse, whale. Here high is not a noun. So students, this is all. This is all about revision of book exercise of chapter number 2. Now it's your time to revise this syllabus properly. I will get back to you with another video very soon. Till then, take care, bye bye, and have a nice day.